How to make a scatter plot in Excel. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Excel. You'll find this kind of screen pop up. Select the numbers of which you want to make scatter plot. After you select, you'll find small button on bottom, which is quick analysis. In here, go to charts and you'll find scatter. Simply select the scatter option and your scatter plot will be in here as you press scatter. You can also drag scatter plot wherever you want in your Excel. This is how to make a scatter plot in Excel. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I am Sophia signing off. Until next time.